Welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco, and I'm happy you guys are here. I'm going to be working on a commission piece for a client. Do you guys notice my nails? Sophia and I were playing around the other day and we decided to do like multicolored fingernails. So that's why my nails have different colors on them. Anywho, back to the task at hand. I am working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. This is a commissioned piece for a client of mine. So I have used my furniture levelers to level out my canvas and raise it up off the table. You can find those in my Amazon shop for those of you who are interested. They're great because you just turn the bottoms of them and you can level out your canvas. So they're great for that purpose. I am going to be flooding my canvas with my Loft Flow Acrylic White. It's a 2019 bottle. Okay, so if you have a 2020 or a 2021 version, it will do a lot of cells and the white will swallow up your colors. For those of you who have watched a lot of my previous videos. If you don't have a 2019 bottle, another great option for you to use. I know a lot of people use Blick if you're in the US. However, this is a great alternative. It is titanium white by Loft, and it's a 500 ml bottle. I get it at Michael's. Here in Canada, it's $19.99. I'm sure it's cheaper in the US, but that is a great alternative. All my paints are mixed with water and Floetrol, and for those who are new watching, you can find that video and tutorial on how to mix your paints in video number 63. I will link it up here at the top. I know a lot of you, hear this all the time and I get repetitive, and I apologize for that, but you got to understand I get hundreds of subscribers a day, every couple of days. So there are new people watching and they don't know about the ratios. They don't know about scraping the drip. So if I do sound repetitive, I'm sorry, but I have new watchers and, I'd like to make sure they know what they're doing and they're learning. So, I had a few comments about that. What are you going to do? Okay, so the colors I am using today that my client and I have agreed on that she likes are Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam. Then we are going to be using Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. Then I have Light Rose by Amsterdam. Then Phthalo Turquoise by Holbein. And topping it off, Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. So those are my colors. There you go. You can see them. She wanted a turquoise and blue, but then she wanted a little pink in there. And then, of course, I'm going to be using my flower hair dryer, which, again, you can find. A lot of people are asking me. It's from US Walmart. I don't know if or where you can get it in Canada. If anyone knows where you can get the flower hair dryer in Canada, please put it in the comments below to help out your fellow Canadians. It's not on Amazon. There is a similar one, different brand. It's in Tammy Anderson's Amazon link shop, and it's like white it's called Blue or something like that, but it's not the same. It's not Flower. This is called Flower, and it's by Drew Barrymore. So you can get it online at US Walmart. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be using tonight. I am putting this back in the order I had it in, and I am going to flood my canvas, and I'll be right back. Okay, the canvas is flooded. The bubbles have been torched with my torch. I'm going to be doing a wispy design as per my client's request. So we are going to start with the Sky Blue Light, and I'm going to go this way. We'll go here down to here. Let me just add a little more blue there. And we shall wisp it out this way. All right. And now let's do the pearl blue. So it is, what day is it today? It's Tuesday. You're watching this on Wednesday. And on Saturday, I'm hosting, after almost 2 years, my first workshop. Ever since COVID, I haven't been able to do a workshop. And I am doing a workshop. I'm super excited. I'm going to be meeting 14 lovely ladies. We are going to be pouring here in the studio, which is fantastic. So I cannot wait to meet you ladies. And we are going to have so much fun with this. It'll be great to meet some new people and have some fun art time together. All right, so there are the colors. And if you'd like more information on my workshop, I will be doing another one at the end of September. If you'd like to join that one, there is a waiting list. So you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. If you'd like more info on the workshop, where I'm located, price, all that stuff, you just email me and I'll put you on the list. All right, so let's pop the air bubbles and let's blow this out. So as usual, I'm gonna blow into the negative space down here and work my way out. Okay, wow. Now this is a lot of blue. So I've got, look at the beautiful cells here with the iridescent green blue. There's a strip of green blue here. There's a hint of the light rose and some here. And there's some down here, but here in the center, it is blue with a little bit of the iridescent here. But I love it. It's so pretty. I do hope that my client really likes this. I was hoping to see a lot more pink in here. I wonder if I can just add some. I might just add some here and blow it out with my little mini blower, and maybe some down here just to add a little more rose. Let me get my world's smallest blower. Because I do want to add some rose. I love this. I love this right here. This is so pretty. Such a perfect petal. And oh my goodness, look at the cells developing here. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I want to add some here, which I'm going to just see what happens if I add a tiny strip right here. And this I can reach with my mouth, so I'm gonna blow it. Okay, well that is better, because now there's a little hint of the pink, the light rose in there. Oh, and it's selling up. Look at that. Okay, so okay, so that added a little there. I don't want to mess with it too much. I'm afraid I'm gonna mess something up. And I see some more, I see some more cells popping up here. Okay, so that is it. I am going to just fix up my sides. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. And here, I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So I've already gone ahead and scraped my drips underneath my canvas. So don't forget to scrape your drips. And now let's take a close-up look. So that's where I added a little bit of pink and it selled up a bit there. And then I ended up blowing just with my mouth this spot right here just to add some more color into this white section because there was a lot of white there. So I blew that a bit. I didn't touch anything else. I left everything else as is. So I really love, the camera doesn't catch the true color, but there's a lot of turquoise in this little strip of cells. And then this here is my favorite part because there's a lot of the iridescent green blue right in there. And it's also right up here. So when that dries, there's going to be a gorgeous metallic shimmer in that one when it gets top coated with crystal resin as well. So there you have it. I hope my client is watching, which I'm sure she is, and I hope you like it. I know I lost a lot of the pink in there, so if for some reason my client wants more pink in there, I will do another one, and then this one will be up for purchase. So I will let you guys know in my next video if my client loves it. So there you have it for now. Actually, I'm going to see if there's any shimmer, but it's so sunny out. I'm painting in the middle of the afternoon, so I'm not sure if we're going to see much shimmer, but I will give it a try. So 1 second. All right. So I have the flash on and I'm going to go super close. You can obviously see my flash there, but it's so bright in my studio right now. You can definitely see that there is shimmer in there because there's the pearl blue and then the iridescent by Pebeo. So let me go up here where the cells are. And you can see slightly, but it's there. It's just not dark enough in my studio right now. Whoa, too close. But you can definitely see that there is shimmer in this painting. All right. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below, and I will let you guys know in the next video my client's thoughts. So everything you need to know is listed in the description below. Lots of links for lots of discounts for all kinds of stuff. If you are new watching and you would like to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that notification bell. And that is it from me, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.